So I'll try to be quick. You have a video with subtitles. Let me publish them. It's very important step. I think this is just auto-generated. No, not this. Where is, okay, continue. Let's see. Okay, amazing. Edit timing. Scroll down, make sure everything is fine. You could correct something if you need to, but that's not the point of this video. And so now you want to add some time codes or chapters or whatever they called. Click add timestamps. Okay. And just wait. It reads your subtitles. Okay. And let's see. Okay, so that's what it suggests. Let's click this insert. Okay, it's here. You could validate it. So the duration of your video, you can see it here. Looks okay. And you could see if that's actually what, probably something you can remove, rename or whatever. But the point that if you just save it now with just a few clicks, now it's already, it should be good already. Why it's good also? It's good because someone probably will be searching your video with this sentence or with this or whatever. So, and also for people it's way more useful because they can just navigate through your video using these codes. So I mean, it's definitely good to have, not a problem, and easy to have when you have a similar video as I have. So just a few clicks. Even the free version of VidAI can do it for you. Not many times, like probably 10 times or so in your free package, but I don't think that like if you are using the free version, you're probably not publishing too many videos daily or whatever, right? Yes, that's it. Have a good one.